Let's write the formula for oxalic acid. So the first thing we know, we have an acid here. Acids in general, they begin with H. So let's just write an H here to start out with. Next, we're going to look at oxalic acid. We don't see anything written in front of it. So when we have hydro in front of the name, we know that we'll have two elements, like hydrochloric acid is HCl. But we don't have hydro in front of our oxalic acid. So we're going to have three elements, and we're going to use a polyatomic ion table. So we're going to have a polyatomic ion involved when we write the formula here for oxalic acid. So first off, we know that we have three elements, and there's two ways we can do this. If we have a stem plus ic, we use these rules. Stem plus ous, we use these rules. Oxalic, so we have the ic, and we're going to use these rules here. So we write the stem, that's the OXAL, and then instead of ic, we have ate, A-T-E. So we end up with the oxalate ion, and we can look that up on a table of polyatomic ions if we don't have it memorized. So we're looking for the oxalate ions, not here and right here. Oxalate ion, C2O4, the whole thing has an ionic charge of 2-. So we remember C2O4 2- for the oxalate ion. We write that after the H, and remember the oxalate ion, that 2-, that's on the whole ion here. So we have HC2O4, but we need to balance the charges. We said we have the 2- here. Hydrogen on the periodic table, it has a 1+ ionic charge. So we're going to need two of these hydrogens here to give us a 2+, balance out the 2-. So this is the formula for oxalic acid, H2C2O4. And this is Dr. B. Thanks for watching.